Hi guys, so today's question is easy and I said tricky questions I haven't solved. I have taken 3 attempts to solve it. So let me take a description of the problem. So you are given a string S and a pattern P which contains exactly one star. So star can be replaced by zero or more characters. So it can be replaced by zero or more character. Return true if P can be made a substring of S and also false otherwise. Like E is contains we have E and E is here, and we can replace the star with zero or more characters, but here we can replace with tcod. So this string which is newly formed is a substring of S that will return true. Same way C appears, and we can replace the star with A, but we do not appear. So K is not a substring of car, so it is written false. So U is a substring of yes, it is written true, and star we can replace with zero or more characters. So what approach I have developed is I have taken the first character of the P and after the star character. So I have given these strings as before star and after star. So if star appears, I will break the loop. Else I will append in the string before star plus p dot caret I, and I will take the last index of the star. So I will start with the next string, and that is the after star. That is after the star. If after star that is greater than the p dot length, then after star will remain empty. There is no benefit of iterating the loop. Otherwise, if the star, the next star, the start will be here. If the start is greater than the star, so I will iterate the loop. After star, I will start all the characters appending in the after start string after the star. Okay, after this, we have to see there will be four situation which will come. Like there's only star in before the star there is nothing, and after the star there is nothing, and there's one string before star and after the star there is nothing. And similarly the vice versa, and there is a no string before the star, and after the star there is one string, and the last, which is the most important one, they string in both the sides of the star. So catering these four situations, like if both are empty, yes, we will return true because star can be replaced with zero or more characters, that p will be substring of S. Similarly, if first string is empty and last string is greater than equal to length 1 after star, and if S contains this pattern, then we are good to go, b will be equal to true. Similarly, the pattern where before star has the characters and after star has do not have character, we only need to match if that S contains that pattern or not. The situation comes quite tricky if both after before the star have the we have a pattern, and we have to match if it's contained in S, and the first, that is the first index of the pattern we have to see, and the last index of the pattern do not overlap. This is a tricky situation. Like first we will contain the first index of the pattern, that is the double E, and we have to take the last from the first pattern. After finding the first pattern, we will see where this pattern ends. Okay, and for that, what we have done, first we have taken the first index of the pattern before star, that is double E, and where this pattern ends I will append its length. Okay, so the if I print system dot print ln a, so it will return 2. So this pattern starts at 1 and ends at 2, which is true. And then after the star, we need only that pattern which is greater than this pattern. Okay, so the E, which is the last pattern, and appended, we it can be 0 or more. So the last pattern E, we have to take the last index of the pattern after star, that is the last index, and it should be less than the first pattern where the first pattern ends. So this is the trick for all the questions. So A will be less than the last index of after star, and B will be equal to true. So this will work for all the tricky edge cases. Thank you.